The hotel is a highly complex operation where several departments function, coordinate, and interact for a smooth day-to-day operations. In order to run the hotel as a functional unit, there are several departments in the hotel which work and coordinate together, and the major departments of the hotel are front office. This department performs various functions like reservation, reception, registration, room assignment, and settlement of bills of a resident guest. The front office staff welcome the guest, carry their luggage, help them register, give them their room keys and mail, answer questions about the activities in the hotel and surrounding areas, and finally check them out. Housekeeping. The housekeeping department is responsible for the cleanliness, maintenance, and aesthetic upkeep of rooms, public areas, back areas, and surroundings in a hotel. Food and beverage service. This department looks after the service of food and drinks to guests. The food which is made in the kitchen and drinks prepared are served to the guest at the restaurant. Kitchen or food production. All the food and beverages that are served to the hotel guest is prepared in the kitchen. Engineering and maintenance. The engineering department is responsible for repairing and maintaining the plant and machinery, water treatment and distribution, sewage treatment, external and common area lighting, accounts. This department maintains all the financial transactions. Security. The security department of a hotel is responsible for the overall security of the hotel building, in-house guests, visitors, and employees of the hotel. Human resource. This department is responsible for the acquisition, utilization, training, and development of the human resources of the hotel. Sales and marketing. The major role of the sales and marketing department is to bring in business and also to increase the sales of the hotel products and services. Purchase. The purchase department is responsible for procuring the inventories of all the departments of a hotel. Information technology. The information technology department is responsible for the day-to-day support of all IT systems, business systems, office systems, computer networks, and telephony systems throughout the hotel.
DPMI सिर्फ शिक्षा हुनर ही नहीं बल्कि सम्मान के साथ सुनिश्चित रोजगार.
Thank you, DPMI.